How to add multiple roles at the same company on LinkedIn. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up LinkedIn. Log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon. Then go to your profile page. Inside here, scroll down until you find experience. If you want to edit an existing role, you can simply tap on the pencil-like icon next to that position. From there, you can update your job title, date, location, and other details. Once you have finished making changes, you can simply tap on the Save button to update that role. But if you have held multiple positions at the same company, LinkedIn lets you add additional roles under the same employer. To do so, tap on this plus button, then select Add Role. And just like that, fill the remaining details such as your employment dates and whether you currently work there or not. After entering the information, you can simply tap on Next. When everything looks good, you can simply tap on Save again. Wait for a moment for LinkedIn to process the changes. Once the position has been added successfully, you can return to your profile and refresh the page. You will see that both roles are now grouped under the same company on your profile. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.